I have all the respect in the world for Matthew Colville. Great guy. But I did disagree when I heard this.
Like, no one misses rolling for damage, rolling to hit. No one misses the attack roll. It's a huge instant home run out of the gate. No attack roll.
I miss the attack roll. If I don't have that, in D&D I'm talking, but I feel like in any system not rolling to attack, I don't know, I think I would miss it. As my son explained it to me, if you're a level 1 character and you try to hit a dragon, you're going to struggle. At level 20, you are more likely to be better at it. So I like rolling to attack and then doing damage. It doesn't mean that you miss, it just means that you strike swords or hit armour or can't get through. But with MCDM, the new project, I'm completely open to seeing how it goes. I might not have all the facts. I haven't seen all the in-depth alpha of what it's like. Same with Daggerheart, you automatically damage, you sort of can't miss. It's just how well you hit. And I do agree that armour and AC should work in a different way in 5e. Mitigating the damage makes sense to me. I do understand what they're going for. And I'm just talking aloud here. As I say, I probably misunderstood something. But when I hear that, oh, we're not going to roll to attack. Really? We're rolling less dice? I don't know. It doesn't appeal to me until I need to be convinced. Please correct me. Please give your opinions. That's it.